Hey fellow riders, today I wanted to talk Made in America, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. Happy Labor Day everybody. I hope you're enjoying your time off. So in honor of Labor Day, I wanted to talk about Made in America, because that's kind of what Labor Day is all about, right? So one of the places you can check out Made in America is York, PA. If you've never been there, then I highly recommend a trip to York, PA. Not only are there great motorcycle roads and routes all around the area, it also labels itself as the factory tour capital of the world for a good reason. I mean, one of the main reasons and why I'm bringing it up on this channel is Harley-Davidson has a factory there and assembles a few of their models at the plant. Even if you're not a Harley-Davidson fan, it's still pretty awesome to go and check out the tour. It was cool to see how the bikes go from nothing to being tested and then shipped out. And so many people were working there, and that was really awesome to see. They actually make some of the parts there too, rather than have them all shipped in. I got to see them making gas tanks when I was there, and the machinery to do that was pretty impressive. It was cool getting to see most of the process, where they load the frame onto this robot, and then that travels around the floor to different stations as the bike is built out. It's amazing seeing how many hands actually have to go into building a bike. So yeah, that's definitely worth checking out for any motorcyclist, Harley fan or not. Also in that area, you can check out a Snyder's Factory Tour, the snack company famous for pretzels. You can also go to Utz Snacks. They also have soap makers, creameries, and Hershey's is actually close by, and you can do a tour over there. Yeah, so if you have kids, totally bring them along. My kid loved it, and now she looks for similar things everywhere we go. They'll also love the free samples, of course. I'd love to know of more factory tours across the country, so if you know of any, let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ones, and it's kind of hard to find because a lot of the websites are out of date. I still have to find a bread factory tour. I remember going once when I was younger, and I still have that smell in my nose. It was just so amazing. I've tried to contact Petrich Farm, and they don't do tours anymore. Anyway, not to preach, but support these and so many other jobs by buying products made in America when you can. I know it's tough nowadays. So many things are made elsewhere. But I'd have to think if everyone just made a little extra effort and bought one extra made in America product a year, I bet that would equate to many jobs all across the country. Happy Labor Day, everybody. Enjoy your barbecues, and thanks for coming along on the ride today. I just thought I'd share these experiences, and hopefully you get to check them out someday too. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe today. Now let's go explore.